Hey guys, it's Nathan. Going over a rifle I'm putting together for an NRL Hunter match we're shooting here in a week or so. We've been shooting a lot of team matches in the last couple years. So NRL Hunter is just kind of a new discipline that is similar but different. So I kind of know what I like in a rifle. I kind of know what I like in a find, range, engage type format. So fitting that rifle into their rule book is not difficult, but I had to do a couple little different things, which is kind of why I ended up with a kind of strange build. Maybe not exactly what a lot of guys would build for NRL Hunter, but it's what I'm putting together for NRL Hunter. We're shooting open heavy division, which is by default what you shoot is a team component. So we do shoot teams open heavy. Weight restriction is 16 pounds. I am at 15.9, so not exactly where I wanted to be. I'd like to shave a couple ounces, but it is what it is. I'm playing the Taylor Swift game of it's me, I'm the problem.
It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me.
The other one is power factor. That's kind of a unique thing to NRL Hunter. So it is bullet weight and velocity multiplied together. So I'm shooting a 6.5 PRC, which is something I actually shoot a lot of. I don't know if a lot of people know that, or a lot of people shoot it. It is a 147 grain bullet going 3,060 feet per second, which makes a power factor of 449,820. The minimum is 380,000. So I am far exceeding a minimum power factor, and I actually like the ballistic advantage I get out of that. NRL scoring is 2 points for first round, 1 point for second round impact. So there is basically a 50% point advantage for me to get a first round impact. So if I can cut my win bracket in half, in some cases, that's a big advantage to me. And then the weight thing, going back to that, there's features that I want. I'm not playing the weight game to just be as heavy as possible. I do want certain features in this rifle, and we can go over those here in a second when we go over to the rifle and give them a look. So this is my current setup, at least for now. So I changed something again. Kind of the main focal point of it is going to be the new DRT chassis from NDT. This allows me to have a fully featured, all the adjustments, full length night vision rail, folding stock at only 3.2 pounds. Super important to me because I do want to use this rifle for other things aside from just competing with it. It also has arc lock, Area 49 arc lock, so that's pretty cool. Moving forward, another MDT plug, Gen 3 SkyPod, single pull for me. I don't think I can make weight with a triple, and I kind of prefer the single for personal reasons. Defiance, Deviant Action, nothing crazy happening there. We've got one of the new hybrid sets of rings up top for weight savings, but still allowing me to mount a diving board when I need it. I won't run it at the NRL Hunter match, A, again, because I'm pushing the weight limit so close, and B, we don't run weapons mounted rangefinders for NRL Hunter. We just use everything on binos. This is the Razor Gen 3 4-24, which if you know, or if you don't know, it's a very kind of short, small, lightweight optic. So again, with the theme of saving weight, gives me most of the things I want in a shorter, lighter optic there. And then I guess moving forward, 6.5 PRC, 28-inch comp contour barrel, which kind of put me into the situation I'm in of having to cut weight in a lot of places. I don't know that this would be the first barrel and contour that I would recommend, but it's what I had. It's what I have shot very well with previously, so I wanted to shoot it. And then on the end is a K configuration Maverick Gen 2, which you should know about by now, but the brake is pretty cool because this is an aluminum brake, which cuts the weight of the brake almost in half, I think. Maybe we'll put numbers on the screen of telling you exactly what the weight settings is. This is raw. They won't be raw when they're available, but I'm gonna run this weekend raw just to shoot it, save some weight with a 16-pound 6.5 PRC. Allows me to see impacts better, allows me to see what I'm doing. So that's kind of the overview of my rifle. Hopefully I didn't miss anything, but we'll go out. I'll send a couple rounds, make sure everything's lining up. I always like to send a couple mags before I leave, check dope, make sure everything's shooting how I want it to. So we'll head out. anyways, shooting good, feeling good. This is what I'll take here in a couple weeks to the match we're shooting out in Iowa. If you have any questions, this was kind of a very quick, brief overview of what's happening here. Comment, message, all those good things. We'll hop in and give you more info if you want it. Also, if you want more videos like this, kind of quick little breakdowns, what's new, what's cool, what we're using this week, leave us a comment, send us a message. Until next time.